How to play Fishdom mini games. Hi guys, it's Mekran from Gaming for Beginners. Today I am going to guide you how to play Fishdom mini games. Playing Fishdom mini games is quite easy, so without any delay, let's start the video. Progress through main level. Mini games are unlocked as you complete match 3 puzzle levels in the game. Keep advancing to trigger mini game events. Open the mini game. When a mini game becomes available, it will appear as a pop-up during gameplay. Tap the prompt to start. Understand the objective. Minigame have specific tasks such as pulling pins in the correct order, guiding water to the fish, avoiding traps like lava or hungry predators. Review the tasks carefully before making a move. Interact with elements. Use touch gestures like dragging, pulling or tapping to interact with objects in the minigame. Think strategically to solve the puzzle within the fewest move. On rewards. Successfully completing a minigame rewards you with coin, booster or other in-game items. And here you go, it's done. That's how you can play minigames in Fishdom. If you liked our video, press the thumbs up and share button. If you have any question, comment down below and don't forget to subscribe the channel for more tutorials.